Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning, and I hope you're all doing great by the grace of God. If it's your first time, thanks for stopping by. Lovelies, I do appreciate you all. Thanks for the love and support. Today, I share with you how I make my homemade powdered milk or milk powder. It's so quick and easy. So let's begin. I'm going to pour some cow milk, fresh cow milk, into the measuring jug. I'm using 4 cups. You can use more or less, depending on how many people you are making this milk powder for, or depending on how much you want to make. That is, the quantity you are making is all by choice and preference. So, family, from here, I'll transfer the milk into my saucepan, which is already on the cooker top, just like this. Now stir to mix everything with your spatula or your spoon or your ladle, and make sure that the heat is not too high in order not to burn your milk. Continue stirring and keep scraping the milk that is stuck at the top of the saucepan back into the milk, and make sure that it doesn't boil over, okay? Just like this. When it gets to this point, make sure to blow some air into it so that it doesn't boil over. As time goes on, the level of the milk will reduce and it will begin to thicken up. And yes, that is what we are looking for exactly. So let's keep stirring and scraping the milk that is stuck at the sides and top of the saucepan back into the milk, and that will help us get the thickness right. Family, I had to change the saucepan because it wasn't helping at all. No matter how low the heat was, it was still burning. So this one was better, and so make sure to use a non-stick saucepan and make sure that the heat is also so low in order not to burn your milk, or else your milk powder will taste sour. So far, I'll go for this thickness. It's fine. So I'll open it up for it to cool down and later dry it in the sun. A day later, it's still not dried really well. So I'm going to put all of this on a tray and dry it really well. There is still a bit of moisture in it. I want it to dry and be gritty like sand. Family, so far, if this video is helpful and you're really enjoying it, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment on the video. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And if it's your first time on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So please don't forget to like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button to join this amazing family, and you will never ever regret it, okay? You also receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos, okay? So stay here, stick and stay with us and enjoy my recipes. So family, after going back and forth into the garden and coming back into the kitchen every day, it's now dried. I'm going to grind it until it's nice and smooth, and I cannot wait for you to see the end result of this video. So go nowhere, keep watching and enjoy. Now it's time to grind it, but before I grind it, I'm adding 2 tablespoonfuls of white sugar, and it's totally optional because the milk already has natural sweetener in it, so we don't need to do it. It's just totally optional. So now I'm going to sift the milk powder to remove all lumps from it for it to be smooth and nice. And you can use the spoon to help press down the milk powder to help sift it, or you can use your hand to make it faster and easier. In my case, I'll use my hand. Now with the granules, you can use your grinder to grind them until it's nice and smooth, or you discard them. It's all by choice and preference. And now look at that, it's all smooth out and I love it. Family, this is how I make my homemade milk powder. Is that quick and easy? And I'm so happy with the results. Family, I believe you've been inspired today and you've learned something new. I hope you give this a try and do not just watch the video. Because I'll be using this milk powder for my pastries, I use the whole milk for it. You can as well use the semi-skimmed milk or skimmed milk to make your own homemade milk powder. I love this. It smells so good. Ooh, such a nice flavor. You can as well use the milk powder for a lot of snack recipes, and I'll show you two of them in due course. So keep watching. One is here. I'm going to make some hot chocolate with it, and it's just as perfect as the store bought, if not better. I like this. Nice flavor. Beautiful. No worries, the work surface is already wiped clean, okay? Mix it together and now add your hot water. Isn't this beautiful? Ooh, it smells good. And secondly, I'm going to use some of the milk powder for my gari soakings. Call it gasok. In short, gasok. Add your cold water or chilled water. That's the best way to enjoy your gasok. And now I'll pour the fresh water away because mostly the gari is dirty. So you see some dirty particles in the water. Discard this and add new water. Ooh, this is fine. And now add your sugar, a little bit of it, and your milk powder. You can use your milk powder in so many ways, family. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have been inspired to try or make this sooner than later. You can add some peanuts if you want. Now store your milk in a dry container. Keep it in a cool and dry place. Use the milk powder as and when you need it. Ooh, I love the flavor. Amazing. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. Stay blessed. Enjoy. Bye all. Take care. Mwah. Kiss.